What's up guys, Wes back in with Auto Mafia. Today, once again, we're working on Project Hurricane, and you're gonna kind of laugh at this one, but I'm not the skinniest dude in the world, and we have a Kirky racing seat that doesn't move anymore. It's solidly mounted, so sometimes it's a little hard to get in and out of the car with the stock seat, and, with the stock steering wheel. As you can see, the space is slightly limited, and it gets in the way, makes it kind of hard. I did go ahead and already remove the airbag because ours was not functioning and it was jiggling and making a whole bunch of noise. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna install some stuff from NRG. So we have our hub adapter, our quick release, and then our steering wheel. So we're gonna go ahead and get to installing these. First things first, obviously, we have to remove the stock steering wheel. So let's get that done. It's pretty simple to remove your airbag. It's literally just two holes on either side that have bolts in. Once you remove those, it basically slides out. So what we're doing next, this big bolt in the middle, put that on it with a 15/16, whack it off. It literally was super easy, came right out. And then you're gonna laugh, but it comes right off. So we're gonna unplug it. So now that we've disconnected that, we're literally just setting on, and I'm tucking the wires in behind it. And then we're gonna put the bolt back in. It should reach there. Thread it by hand to start, and then we're gonna use our impact and make sure it goes on. So there we are. That installed down on there nice and tight. We put the NRG up. You can see it does leave a little space, but not a lot, that's for sure. Once again, the next part's pretty easy, guys. They give you a couple bolts. Just dropped a couple down there. We're just gonna bolt that to there. Pretty simple. They even include the Allen head that you need. We'll have them all started. We're gonna use the included Allen head and tighten them up. All right, so now that this piece is on, it's time to attach the steering wheel to the quick release. All right guys, so here we are at this point. Now your steering wheel is gonna come like this. So we're gonna unbolt those, and then we'll bolt it on in the correct manner. Literally guys, just one by one, you're gonna put it on. Obviously I still have it loose so that I can get all 6 of the Allen headed bolts in there, but it looks pretty good. First impression of it is it's really close to me because my seat doesn't move back and forth. It's locked into place. So it feels really close. It's like a lot closer driving position, but I think I'm actually gonna like it. So it's awesome. I'm gonna keep putting these on and we'll get it finished. All right guys, so here it is. This is our quick release NRG steering wheel and our S197. It is rather close. I'm all the way back and you can see where my hand is, but that's really not bad. I think I'm gonna like it. Got it set up. So I can't pull it off with one hand, but I can with two. Might be able to get it with one here. Nope. We're putting on the steering wheel. Easy as that, guys. Go race.